How are you?
Hi, thank you.
Okay, let's go. I want you to tell me about yourself. What's your name?
Peter. My name is Peter.
My, my name is Peter.
How old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
What's the name of your school? What's the name of your class? How many people are in your family? No, no, don't press it. How many people are in your family? What's your favorite food? What's your favorite drink? Okay, let's go. What is this? What is this? What is this?